第6章，国外旅游时使用的短句。29，在飞机上，饭店里。在飞机上，您想喝点什么？
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
请来一杯咖啡。
Coffee, please.
Coffee, please.
要加牛奶和糖吗？
With sugar and cream?
With sugar and cream.
午餐你要牛肉还是要鱼？
What would you like for dinner, beef or fish?
What would you like for dinner? Beef or fish?
请给我牛肉。
Beef, please.
Beef, please.
您用完了吗？
Have you finished?
Have you finished?
还没有。
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
我可以收走了吗？
May I clear the table?
May I clear the table?
请您收拾一下桌子吧。
Clear the table, please.
Clear the table, please.
您能给我杯水吗？
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
您能给我点喝的吗？
Can I have something to drink?
Can I have something to drink?
请给我一条毯子。
A blanket, please.
A blanket, please.
我觉得冷。
I feel cold.
I feel cold.
我觉得热。
I feel hot.
I feel hot.
我觉得恶心。
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
能给我点药吗？
Can I have some medicine?
Can I have some medicine?
您能告诉我怎么填这张表吗？
Could you tell me how to fill out this form?
Could you tell me how to fill out this form?
在机场，请出示您的护照。
May I see your passport, please?
May I see your passport, please?
您在美国停留多长时间？
How long will you be staying in the United States?
How long will you be staying in the United States?
您来旅行的目的？
What's the purpose of your visit?
What's the purpose of your visit?
旅游、
Sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
工作。
Business.
Business.
我是来工作的。
I'm here on business.
I'm here on business.
我是来度假的。
I'm here on vacation.
I'm here on vacation.
您住哪儿？
Where are you staying?
Where are you staying?
有什么需要报关的吗？
Do you have anything to declare?
Do you have anything to declare?
在华盛顿饭店。
At the Washington Hotel.
At the Washington Hotel.
您带了多少现金？
How much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
我有400美金和10万日元。
$400 and 100,000 yen.
$400 and 100,000 yen.
好了，祝您愉快。
Okay, have a nice stay.
Okay, have a nice stay.
我找不着行李了。
I can't find my baggage.
I can't find my baggage.
请马上查一查。
Please check it immediately.
Please check it immediately.
找到后，请马上把我的行李送到饭店。
Please deliver the baggage to my hotel as soon as you have located it.
Please deliver the baggage to my hotel as soon as you have located it.
我想确认一下我的机票。
I'd like to reconfirm my flight.
I'd like to reconfirm my flight.
日本航空公司的柜台在哪儿？
Where is the Japan Airlines counter?
Where is the Japan Airlines counter?
登机口在哪儿？
Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
什么时候开始登机？
What time do you start boarding?
What time do you start boarding?
这个航班开始登机了吗？
Has this flight begun boarding?
Has this flight begun boarding?
几点到东京？
What time will we arrive in Tokyo?
What time will we arrive in Tokyo?
在饭店的服务台，今天晚上有空房间吗？
Is there a room available for tonight?
Is there a room available for tonight?
我预订了一个房间。
I reserved a room for tonight.
I reserved a room for tonight.
请办入住手续。
Check in, please.
Check in, please.
请帮我拿一下行李。
Take my baggage, please.
Take my baggage, please.
请给我809房间的钥匙。
I'd like a key to room 809, please.
I'd like a key to room 809, please.
餐厅在哪儿？
Where is the dining room?
Where is the dining room?
餐厅几点开门？
What time does the dining room open?
What time does the dining room open?
几点吃早饭？
What time can I have breakfast?
What time can I have breakfast?
我在哪儿可以买到啤酒？
Where can I get some beer?
Where can I get some beer?
我可以把贵重物品存这儿吗？
Can you keep my valuables?
Can you keep my valuables?
我想把日元换成美金。
Yen to dollars, please.
Yen to dollars, please.
请换成现金。
Cash, please.
Cash, please.
您能帮我把旅行支票换成现金吗？
Could you cash this traveler's check for me?
Could you cash this traveler's check for me?
请帮我把这100美元换成5张20美元的。
Would you exchange this $100 bill with 5 20s?
Would you exchange this $100 bill with 5 20s?
有人会说日语吗？
Does anyone speak Japanese?
Does anyone speak Japanese?
有给我的留言吗？
Are there any messages for me?
Are there any messages for me?
我办退房手续。
Check out, please.
Check out, please.
这是我房间的钥匙。
Here's my room key.
Here's my room key.
我没用电话。
I didn't make any phone calls.
I didn't make any phone calls.
这是您的账单。
Here's your bill.
Here's your bill.
能帮我叫一辆出租车吗？
Could you call a taxi for me?
Could you call a taxi for me?
客房服务，请提供客房服务。
Room service, please.
Room service, please.
请提供较早服务。
A wake-up call, please.
A wake-up call, please.
我可以借一下吹风机吗？
Can I borrow a hairdryer?
Can I borrow a hairdryer?
请送一壶咖啡。
Please bring me a pot of coffee.
Please bring me a pot of coffee.
请提供洗衣服务。
Laundry service, please.
Laundry service, please.
什么时候能弄好？
When will it be ready?
When will it be ready?
请告诉我您的房间号码。
Your room number, please.
Your room number, please.
501房间。
This is room 501.
This is room 501.
请进。
Come in.
Come in.
在饭店遇到困难时， 没有热水。
There is no hot water.
There is no hot water.
隔壁太吵了。
The room next door is noisy.
The room next door is noisy.
我能再要一把房间钥匙吗？
Could I possibly have another room key?
Could I possibly have another room key?
我把钥匙忘在房间里了。
I locked myself out.
I locked myself out.
我被锁在外面了。
I'm locked out.
I'm locked out.
我房间的电视不能看。
The TV doesn't work in my room.
The TV doesn't work in my room.
您能派人给修理一下吗？
Could you send someone to fix it?
Could you send someone to fix it?
请叫位服务员来一下。
Could you send someone up?
Could you send someone up?